One bite and you'll get why everyone is going crazy over these.
Today, we will be trying out the viral Dubai Chewy cookies. Now, why they call it cookies, you might ask? I have no idea. But let's check it out. These cookies completely took over South Korea. And if you ask me, I think they're definitely worth the hype.
Soft, chewy cookies filled with Kataifi and pistachio cream. It's wrapped in a fluffy layer of marshmallow and cocoa powder. It's like the perfect cross between a Dubai chocolate bar and mochi.
And the best part is, you only need a stovetop and a few ingredients to make it happen. Let's get started.
First things first, let's prepare the Kataifi filling. Kataifi is a type of shredded filo dough, and it's what gives this dessert that irresistibly buttery crunch. Add your Kataifi pastry to a pan with melted butter over medium heat. Keep stirring until it turns golden, crispy, and toasted. Next up, remove the Kataifi from the heat and mix in the pistachio cream. Stir until the Kataifi and pistachio cream is fully combined. Let the filling cool slightly so it's easier to handle. Now scoop out a bit of pistachio Kataifi filling and shape them into small balls. Place them on a tray and chill in the fridge until firm. Next up, the outer marshmallow layer. In a saucepan, melt butter and marshmallows over low heat. Stir consistently until it melts into a smooth, stretchy mixture. Add in the milk powder and cocoa powder for that creamy, rich chocolate flavor. Mix until fully combined and glossy.
Now, we're ready for the fun part, making our cookies.
To avoid sticking, dust your cups with cocoa powder before placing the balls in.
Lightly oil your hands to keep the marshmallows from sticking. A little disclaimer, you can use gloves if you want, but I will be the one eating these, so I'm not gonna use any.
Take a bit of the cocoa marshmallow and flatten it in your palm. Then place a ball of filling in the middle. Wrap up the filling with the cocoa marshmallow and mold it into small balls.
Try to move fast here because the marshmallows sets very quickly, which makes it harder to mold.
Finally, give each cookie a light dusting of cocoa powder. This gives them that velvety texture and luxurious matte finish. And that's all there is to making Dubai Chewy cookies.
Ooh, this is a bit tricky, but we make it work. Okay, let's go. It's so rich, buttery from the Kataifi. And it's very chocolatey.
If you make these, don't forget to tag us so we can see your pistachio Kataifi pull. And now, tell us in the comments, do you think these are worth the hype? Subscribe for more viral dessert recipes. I'll see you in the next video.